Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shanghai and Bhalthia Vikas Trust introduces pioneering e-cycle circuit services in Kleshnong Sora. Kongthong Village awarded as the Best Tourism Village 2023. District Enrollment Drive Program organized to bolster literacy. And Central Bank customers and HNYM needs DC to address banking woes. And now the news in detail. In a groundbreaking partnership, Shanghai, the innovative tour startup, has joined hands with Bhalthia Vikas Trust to launch the first ever e-cycle circuit services in Kleshnong Village, Sora on September 27. This exciting collaboration, facilitated by the Sora Mandala Foundation and Prime Sora Mandala Rural Entrepreneurship Fellowship PSREF, promises to revolutionize eco-friendly tourism in the picturesque region. Tourists can explore the enchanting landscapes of Sora in an environmentally conscious way with the installation of multiple e-cycle stations at strategic locations along the trail. This setup enables visitors to effortlessly rent and return electric cycles, enhancing the accessibility and convenience of their travel experience. Additionally, these circuits will introduce tourists to some of Sora's lesser-known hidden gems, ensuring that they have a well-rounded and immersive experience of the region.
From the Prime team, the local groups here. A very good morning to you all. So today is World Tourism Day. All of us know that, right? So it's good. It's good to be here. It's good to be here in Sora area and to be, starting this wonderful project, which is, e-bikes and bike tourism around this beautiful place, Cherrapunji, which is the #1 tourist attraction that we have in the state. In fact, we just came from a hike of the David Scott Trail. So we were interacting with the entire community people there, both in Mawphlang and Lad Mawphlang. The simple message, I don't want to keep it too long, is that Meghalaya, all of us know, I keep saying this, is that tourism is probably the #1 employment generator, growth generator. The thing that we have to remember is that we'll have to do this in a systematic way, because we have been building tourism up. Suddenly COVID came, we lost 2 years, and 22 we are kind of getting back. But now I think it's very important for us to kind of do whatever we are doing in a systematic way, in a way that is sustainable, in a way that promotes what we call high value tourism, tourists who stay here, tourists who spend money here, tourists who are there for the local experience. So what I was telling people there is that let us create good experiences, let people stay here, let us charge more money. So we'll have to, it just can't be about charging more money. If you're charging more money, we should create a good experience. So we should have very well trained guides, we should be able to take care of them nicely, as our Honorable CM keeps saying, a wonderful smile, being able to talk to people, engage with people. So training goes a long way. So we will do all these things, we'll support the communities as we do. And we have a wonderful model of communitarian tourism and tourism driven by both cooperatives and individual entrepreneurs. So we'll continue to invest on these models. We'll continue to, from the government side, do big infrastructure, support smaller projects, support community-oriented projects, so that our dream of having Meghalaya as one of the best tourist destinations in the country, but where, we give the best experience, but people also should be willing to pay for that experience. So that is how money comes into the economy. That is how, livelihoods and lives are improved. So we work on that model. In fact, continuing from today, so today is the World Tourism Day, I think we are doing a responsible tourism award.
In a momentous occasion, Kongthong Village, nestled in the picturesque East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, was bestowed with the prestigious Best Tourism Village 2023 award. The National Tourism Award presented by the Ministry of Tourism Central Government was conferred upon the village during a grand ceremony held at Bharat Mandapam Pragati Maidan, New Delhi. The award recognizing Kongthong's exceptional contributions to tourism was presented by the esteemed Secretary of the Tourism Department of India, Ms. V. Vidyavati IAS. Kongthong Village unique ability to promote tourism through its rich traditional heritage and natural beauty played a pivotal role in securing this honor. Kongthong Village recognition in the heart of India's capital underscores the importance of responsible tourism and the harmonious coexistence of tradition and modernity in the ever-evolving landscape of Indian tourism. The District Mission Coordinator of Smuggler Shiksha Abhiyan to SSA, Ribhoi District, organized a district enrollment drive program on the 27th of September in a bid to bolster literacy and education in Ribhoi District, Nongpo. The event held at the Parish Hall in Bhoirumbong carried the theme of promoting literacy for a world in transition, building the foundation for a sustainable and peaceful society. The day kicked off with a rally from the premises of Right Yapngar School and concluded at the Parish Hall in Maubri, and students hailing from 8 schools across the region participated with zeal. The flagging off of the rally was officiated by B. Suchang, Sub-Inspector of Bhoirumbong Police Investigation Centre. Also present includes Rankansai Kharbukhi, member of the District Council of Umroi. Also in attendance were Vincent Nyanglang, the District Mission Coordinator of Ribhoi District, B. Suchang, Sub-Inspector of Bhoirumbong Police Investigation Centre, the State Out-of-School Children State Coordinator from SSA, Semant Meghalaya, ED Sindrem from BMC Bhoirumbong, along with teachers and students from various schools.
Education for me. This is how we eradicate illiteracy. Education for you, education for me. This is how we eradicate illiteracy. Rating kaya ka jing dak dak jing nang jing dak. Rating kaya ka jing dak dak jing nang jing dak. Jing nang jing dak. Lawai kari. Lawai kari. This is how we eradicate illiteracy. Education for you, education for me. This is how we eradicate illiteracy. Learn today for better tomorrow. Learn today for better tomorrow. Education for you, education for me. This is how we eradicate illiteracy. If the mobile, if the internet, they don't come on what information, they have the responsibility like we have the
kita pun ini kita pun kita kita kelas ni learning mobile smartphone jogi lalu action ni kita information di kita kita cuma tahu kau faham isu Google Pay itu kayak itu kata faham kalau ni kita dia mungkin kau perlu mana perlu baik lagi mana sini saya shop ni have internet pack dan ini bulan wifi internet connection ni Inaklah orang sekolah kalau Arab susu ini, kenang persuk ini memang yo memang juga seperti jika kamu juga ini. Nalorta komputer, bukan kan school ni harus prepare assignment. Mencuan dan hamil cybergrafi, macam bukan komputer ini, hamil lagi, cybergrafi dan type dan Arab ini. Mereka bukan kenal pada komputer kelas sekolah, bukan kenal komputer. Kerana kecintaan itu kalau dan di sekolah kita use ini komputer kelas sekolah, so far kami baru encourage ikut komputer, lepas share komputer kelas. Jadi kalau nanti kan, cakap dan cakap ini untuk kami juga jangan kita kami asal. Nanti aku bawa orang tempat di komputer yang tadi team nak course apa team dia kena team kena apa perempuan yang kata jangan tu start dalam orang lah dia cinta ada lesi ada komputer kami komputer ini kita smartphone ini internet pertama jumlah lah jumlah pada tahun apa dan kemudian berscan kalau rai kalau kapal orang nak pulih komputi rai ayo kuat nanti ada kuat kerja ada songsan apa lagi lagi bentar nanti dia akan macam ngin kio pulih komputi juni rai kalau kio pulih komputi kau pulih kalau ini ngin kio kau bilang kambiang nanti kata jumlah kita kalau kio orang lain no apa tenuan rai justru desain yang optional kata teknik pelaksanaan besar ini harus contribute kepada society ini bandar pada sosial negara di beberapa negara ini.
The president of the HNYM Nyothrap National Youth Movement, Thailand Star Linkhoi, along with several Central Bank of India customers, convened a meeting with the Deputy Commissioner of West Khasi Hills District, Garrett Ellison Dykes, today to voice their concerns regarding alleged carelessness and operational issues at the Central Bank branch in Nongstoin. The group accused the Central Bank of India Nongstoin of subpar service, citing instances of unexplained cash deductions from their accounts and prolonged periods during which they were unable to access their funds. Additionally, customers expressed dissatisfaction with the bank's lack of transparency in providing explanations for these issues. Thailand Star Linkhoi, addressing the media after the meeting with Deputy Commissioner Garrett Ellison Dykes, stated that the union had earnestly urged the DC to take immediate action in response to the grievances of the affected individuals. The union also requested that the bank's employees be directed to provide clearer explanations and assistance to customers.
Kejing lap jangan kejing jadi link berketika Central Bank te kejing semua bersama kia kalau tang koi ba nilap beli account untuk macam senam hendrai haduk mentang yang pergi ke passbook ni ada submit lot ki dokumen ki itu kejing jong kam hendrai ke passbook haduk kini kisir umpat yo dan ipe ke register jong ka bangru kam don ra namar tip nak ai ka daw ngam tip ya kata tengi ai ong ni ki ban pendam no hendrai ki ongan ra chon ra passbook man ka por ra passbook hendrai haduk mentaru ki padap ya kata habaya dai berkawairu na benta jong kani ka loan jong kini kisah group ke sisi loan te ki ong yangi ba ngila ban deposit ngila ban withdraw ke pisamo hapo license namar kadang dai bet jong ka self group te hadin kata em ngidala le se pisa nang tu ki ong hana ba zero balance ngi shu te nakadaw ke emo kata na zero balance re ka pisa bang deposit kadang bun ki ong hana ba hab renew andala renew ki ong semua bahari renew hapo jong mentata yeu se ini inong tre jong kadang bang idon hi we bahaban lech nong tengong subung anda pendep ikot kislah tu kadep seban dep ikarini ko hoj laban pendep syaban men lech nong kan pendep syai kita ikot kakot renew ngong tangban renew tangan ada lech submit ikarini ko hab upgrade ikalun ngong kumna man upgrade ikalun habang ye kepisang impadon kam ko bahab upgrade ikalun ngom padon kam pisah ki ong amlele men upgrade ndre kepisah sa shu I haka akau nai seng ong Unta dakam don sut te hoj ngila balik unta rila dakadon sut tekan jayu mo yang ni te ngala juga te ka pisar man la katayo ngam yo te nga kali ka renew ro hadu mentai sini mener ngadang le tamba kimpat dep e ka renew hadu kini sini ko menta te nga kali syai kita kikot ki don po bang te nga balik pa otsomit hatu sini ban le e ka renew yo hana o ba kala le snong tempat sumit ke kikot kampat dep ka renew sangat tahi
Bahkan
ngila abun ngila dap hi ka arla karu ndre haba deposit mala ubnai la ban sei hi mala ubnai mo ka jing den kam jing set group ndre adu mentang ngila dap ban deposit ngila sei biang tangba kadang pun hi ka bisa ba ngi hab bangidon tu ngi kwa ban sei nama ban telun kum ka SSD mo na benta karam ya adu mentang him padio ban sei mentar nang lek ngam yo ban sei ka bisa
kasi nga ngap jonga te kalong kumni kapa katu kasi ba bang yalek mo men sisi Tegi pawan yang amenin, tegi ong ban ngin sepatai ngin saai tegi kuat jing tuan na te pokabang. Andang ale yang tepat an manglakan depan ka statement am, tegi dal ale yang tupat am, pobang ale fast, ki ai tak bang statement yang itu itau. Ngawan siap ka Facebook, dan ji hap khliat ru. Hadin kata ngale biang sasisin, dale sasisin pan kaya pair. Tegi ong akli ki ong pen batai mobile kaya pair ka juk asni artili ki bang statement mo ngayo ka juk account. Dia kikam batai radin kum tu par kajing tu kuat ang tekim batai kim pensyari ni dia haban fun uba tre bari menshwa ula poisha asam ki haban fun u pa batai u panate ti ki ong yang ngaban dan kami iPhone sate ngong habangan fun kum nu sate ba ki batre nong ston kidon ti kum nu ngan fun sate mo ngap mi yang ni am kadau ki di ban batai makiken tinggal keli ka tu ka pisa ba ki ot mo ti ong haban renew ya taki bang ti account number Haba ka jing ki yang ikimit ho bangken renew hindi ka su order direct ka pisa tidak klimenen par ki yung haban renew ta kanu ka rukom ba kin order kim pha jing tip yang imo kum ki customer hangte bangi haban renew ra ki pha jing tip tingila ban le no hapo ka stay yung ilang pendap hindi ki par kimit ho ki su order te dala kran par kipin batai ki bana showay ki bang ki di central bank hi na showay tangba kadang kami banyak jing tip hinang tay po bang nang tayam pengen lek keleng-keleng te ban lek phone keleng-keleng nim itu irash pen phone ki bana sto hi nama ki don ki kasi arngot ki bayaram dikiru ki ong ban sa pen phone shawai ban ekran bar ki ya Peita tingiru ki jenjara me kata ting isne hi praksi bakil akul markle bangi baro men kasi baro kasi lek nyom be ti kong ti isne hi tangba i biarap hi pen phone ti ki pen batai na sitay kita ki batai sitay ki biang hi tangba kum kini ki bari men kini bathamai bawan men ta support ya dakeli syai jubab ki yale ban pet bet ban mi bet na kamera ya ni jenjar ke kajing syam ki jongi am kajing kwa ka jongi am ki kwa ban man ram ki wifi ki baterai ki ban yarap yang mo kum ki pat ba nong ston bangi don account te kum nu bangen rangi kini jing rangi let bat ki ken batai ya kata ka bisa bari ban ot ki la ban ot ya kata ka bari ban sim ki la ban sim hende ki ban ayat kum ki rul ken mo hap ada ka jing tep ken ngiru kum ki pat ba ki ot ki ong na de ban renew menen na akli
de hato tangnya pi ne ki don ruki we
em ki gon pi ba ta te menen ngalai ong ban hewan lang tang ba ki ong ba rakipan na ko jing thok ki baro ken mi ken san renti bet kidon ki ba wan ong mo ba sei ka pisaru apa yo takadaw
so nakaliang jungi kum kasang at chanoy amos kasil district hadin bangila yo ki jing ujor ki ba kalong palat ka bedai bat ka Central Bank of India ka badan hang ha nong ston jungi te mentakasngi nakaliang jungi kum kasang ngila wan bane kendu snon ya u sar disi badan burom jungka distrik ka jungi ba ngila tempat ya ba lakum no nakaliang jungki tungki bor juga distrik kin subhaban pai kmat lem lan ban pej lem ya ka bahaka met ha bedai bat ka bang te ngila yo banyak keren bat u disi mentakasngi te nakaliang jung ula hoj ula persengap ya ka bang ngila persengau te nakaliang jung ula ongkum ta yang ni baseng derkat kini kilong kumi ki ba tray haki SSG haki group operator ha ba kila komplain ya ka bang te nakaliang jung disiru la percaya ngi ba un sakot ha hakalai tarik jung benai bashpau mentau snam ba yakine ki nong tre jung ka bang makin ai ka jiber sai ka babiang ha ka bedai bat ka jing komplain jung ki pajba ya ka bang Te kumta na kaliang jungi kung kaseng ru ngibu ka jing kerpat ki pajba jong kadong ka thanyi berkowai jong ka West Kasil District ba kino ki ba pli akau mana ki ba lek don kam hak tai ka Central Bank te yam ta sipor ngi kerpat ba pin subha ban ya syak sitom namar ba na kaliang jong disiru ula ong ba ngan sakhot yaki ba kei ka bala penlong ba kan mi ka huri hura hadu katne hakabedai berkene ka bang de insakhot yaki banyak keren ban pensyai hai taki jing duna trikam jong ka bang barok de kumta na kaliang jong moseng ru ngi pensyai yaki pajba barok jong ka West Kasil District bayam ta sipor pin subha ban ya sasitom tat hadu ba na kaliang jong DC bat katai ka bang kit sai ka jing pensyai jong jing percai habedai berka jing trikam jong ka bang.
In a recent development, the Federation of Khasi and Garo People (FKGGP) Rambrai Circle has unearthed concerning information regarding the functionality of the Rambrai Community and Rural Development CNRD block. Following the receipt of a right to information request, the FKGGP has uncovered disconcerting details about the state of the newly inaugurated block. Starlant Linkhoy, the president of the FKGGP Rambrai Circle, has revealed that the RTI response obtained from the Public Information Officer of the District Rural Development Agency, West Khasi Hills District, indicates several alarming issues, which includes the non-existence of the detailed project report for the construction of the building, the sanctioned positions for the block staffs primarily consisting of only few posts with an absence of crucial permanent appointments, the temporary BDO's name conspicuously being absent from the RTI response, and the passive responses regarding the block's operational duration and the finalization of the building. The FKGGP Rambrai Circle has demanded urgent attention from the government, particularly the Member of Legislative Assembly and Member of District Council representing the region, and they vowed to closely monitor developments and progress on this matter.
FKGGP Rambrai Circle ban keren leng bat lat khai kebor lar ka jingyo pediang ya ka RTI bagi wat jingtip bakumno kala trikam kena ka Rambrai CNRD block kumba Menteri Ramba jangka jala ukan rat kal sangma ulawan pli house nam balaligna ban mentala jandap cisnam te kabaning kong ipan ya ka detail report kata ka DPR bakumno kala proses kena ka block Ndrai officer badai project director District Rural Development Agency West Hill District Nongstoy badai Peit ya kana uang ba 4 ton not available. Kita kalau kacing seulengok jungi kasang bad ngipan ro ya ka kopi nagam ta ka advertisement ba kano teli kita ki post bala sanction Ndrai hangneng UI leng ba kana ka RTI bala sanction way of junior engineer LDA nangta driver pion sekidar but kini kidang long tang ki contractual basis but hangne susu ngipan ro ba hato ladep thung nem kombang yu sngau na kecing ucor pajba ba akuram saya ba ong bala don ki bru bala thung da ka ba sutung klam yat kat komplenti ba day na kabanta ban pelaj advertisement drai ba hangne ba kren sai ba 4 don ai ba kum gata drai tang kan ka wei ka advertisement bala pelaj hau banai Agos hakalai tarik jong banai Agos bat hangne yu i ba katarik bo pelaj hangne kam da shai bhan ratio i ba ka last date jongane ka dei lai tarik jong Agos arjar apply ba hadu menta kim sem patla khot rating test bat interview ye kini kam bat kane kalong ba new iro hangne ba ka jingkeli na kliang jongi kasang nikwa ban pan ba hato ba menta kene ka blok kala tri kampuran em ladon em video kumbang iset UI bagi rambak senang set pen ngi kisiti ba udan tau video sipor ndrei hangne klam ai ye kerteng jong tau video tingidap daga jing ngolengok kum kaseng ba hagane ka RTI ba tau kes kam semla ai kupi atau video sipor ba khnang ba kaseng yo ban lei ban ye kren ba hadu katno la proses ya kana ka kam ndrei hangne UI ba padon ai nilapan kupi ro ba hatola yo ne ame kata jaka bantai ya ka office jangan ka blok ndai padon ai te ka ba ilengok mentang UI ba haduk mentang kecing trekam jangan ka rambrai blok ba peli mentang tolong ba ki trekam tang na kontak ka MGNREGA bat ka PMAYG bat ya kine kibadai kami sipor kita ki staff ki baterai hi apo non stone block bat new hangne kum kaseng ni lap ba kane ka block haduk menta kampat trekam ai tena kalian kaseng ni kentu ya ka sarkar bat khamtam UMLA wa menta UMDC wa menta bangim dai ban yale kai ba du pai ba nong song sinong ba kane ka block khamtam ba habapli ka block kadai bandon ka DPR ka babiang bakumno ban proses sakmat ya kane ka block dre hedu mentang UI ba omdan AA katkum kane ka RTI tena kalian ka jongi jong kaseng ni dap da ka jing selengok ba imat kane ka jing wan pli yang ne ka rambrai block kadai tang ka jing penbit yau pajba nong rambrai bakumno bakini sat kemen bakini kemen dre hedu mentang katkum kane ka RTI ba dang trekam hi na kanong stone block ya ka sarkar ya UMLA badon burom jongi UMDC ba menta hangila sim ya ka kam jong pajba ngindai banile politik ndrei ai ba kane ka kam kadai ban ya sakmat ban pendap ban hukum ulwut egi officer badai Peit ya ka DPR bagi dai ban submit ban phakno omdai ban chupli ya ka block klam ka DPR tena kalian kaseng ikentui ki pajba nong song ba kin ai ka jinge trelang bat nagalian jo kaseng inem shoplikti ba kumbang ilayo ya kene ka RTI bat nyim sa syong perkhat ka e ka sinjam bangi ha ban ya sakmat tat hadu ba kene ka rambrai sin RD block kadai ban urlong kumba urlong ki wei pat ki block hapo jong jala khnang ba ka jing mentoi kan long yo pajba nong song sinong.
In a significant development, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC has officially accepted the Ilaka Administration Second Amendment Bill in the council. This decision has garnered widespread appreciation and gratitude from a united youth group representing various regions. The Chief Executive Member of KHADC, Biniat Singh Saib, and the Executive Committee have been commended for their role in pushing forward the Ilaka Administration Second Amendment Bill. In a statement to the media, Wanshan Bopang, the chairman of the United Youth Group, expressed his elation and convened the collective joy of the union regarding the bill's presentation and acceptance in the council.
Jingwan jungin na kaliang ka sunjuk ki isang smash dong yedan na kaliang ka pri new grab no yala Ahmad district unit group kalong ba haden bangila UI mo iwa tipa la padra ya bil ka bede ba ki thu ya ki isang smash dong ba ki sanglong kami bat ki la pas ru apo ka house mo iwan ni man ya kando pan ai khublai bat pau ka jing songu ka position ya ka tim isi bangta apo chelam ji ba paniya sing sem ba di ba PNCM iba di deputy CM nama ba kani kadai kabanta ka ba nakaliang isang sumasinong hibra ko ay kabay nyo trap nila Amnur Aslam nama ba ngisim bo bang idey kita ki sibanta cho kini ki traditional bodies mangir harangkat ki dobarsinong nila sibur ki kam ki ba yadey ba kentiu ya ki imlang salang ka ba yadey ba ka baha kamet ba dey ba ka songsengai songsuk apo sinong potau kibor isang samlang kibala yanok senyang ba kidan isang samlaru kibala tami ka pau ka kosnem ru ka bur kibala ba slam ba Te kini haka body bomenta ngila persang nadu usnem aja kharwai hadin bakila persang mangan rai ka VV. Ndai kamla benulong nak kidau kiba fiatip hi. Ibun kijing persang yang tai tak polis sepok ka. Rodru. Te rai mentah kani kanti kian nut nanuk naong bakinut bersim nek senjam pan pas kani ka pil ku kucing tu no. Te nak kena cong pen pau kucing songo. Hoa nyimla ban ong basi sepak ka biang naikan menaru hawi kedu badi. Rai inang haban kodify syu lo baki rules gila ban pen pas syu. Mentang don kam shot ban pas kan ni. Mawa nampak kan kijing pas kan ai bos syu yang ikum sang samlas nong mah bangin trai kamha. Te ka baal kalong ba ngila ai ru ya kan ni ka registry kam jung snong kiba nak liang sang samlas nong. Lamba hapok jinglam jung senjuk true experience bi trai bi snong ngilap sibun jing hawai dei bakibun ki menta mah kijingwan ki beri nabar nata kikam beri songkha songman bai dei bakijing bom trai kam bahag di basnong ya kan ni ngila ai ya kan ni ka registry secara jung di basnong kabangila depan pas kasih isi nadu usna majar pa orang kadi kan ti mas pas ni ka bil ni soyo mesim ni ai kopi nak sedat kanang ba ka isi ro kala ban yu kopi ada bin kino ibenta ki ki haban penbaik apa ka rules ni clause dala asen governor ni ka bil mak bai pas kila ban kapan klan shu ya ka bor itir umdai tang sang nasional kisang kami nei buat kedo baru de ni lomak experience mangi trai jar po feel bagi sang nasional ni ya kan du sibol ki jing berhabakut kedai di bawah kata-kata orang isengau hibang hapan pen klaim ya kerja sosial tenrai jungi di bawah dengi kom disamla ki bala ya dan sinong isengau ba ni hab ruk ban nak senyang kendet kekom kejing mat keje enti jungi nang ba lada itu ingi lembak ain kan long keje ku ka bakrau mo ndai tang yangi nrai kon samla jungi ya kapateng barangwan berkontra ter mangi menta kisang samla jungi habak ya tengku menta pia kan baru drop suah po Shillong la jelai ba kibuan kisang samla habak kibat ki tengku berkiboran mito yang iru. Jika ni kadai kawai nak benta ka bangi so ba ka pentrot board ni. Hari mentah lamba ka vigilance bagi itu komiti mau ki bala introduce kalong ba yang iru itu lamba ka ai. Nila ban lai hari mentah ladangi mangi nginang ya kem nginang ya pekbit peyong lai ka bakut dapoy ka ai ki pelai so ni so du musim. Te kani kadai tang ka jing sang ka ba kendet ba iso wan ai buram. Te kendet ro ba dei bat kisang samla sinong jiladan la ka register syar nilai dan ru kiba register ladi mo bat ka sokal ba ka registration of setting act nek kipat klaim lengi ngisau hi bakum kita ki seng samla kum kita ki seng sinong niap hi man yai rangkat bat kani constitutional body kepala itu ba sokar India mo ni habat burom ya ka bat ngisau man ai burom kini ki nong yalam mementa nomor ba menta ka HDC la nya post nam tam nadu mendo mundan ki ain ki ba klaim ki apaka ko ngisau mla ban susna ain direct normal dan mereka ki walong sensitif nrai lengba kani kicing persang juki ban pendrung lengba ki ak apa kani gede gelenti kan kabangi hab masuk tu ndai bangi suya persyak mo ndai hab tu lihat pakendet para mangi hab ya kersan lang mo nam tak jumpai lang dai badunang sa pendapat din.
The Khasi Students Union KSU held a meeting on September 26 with the District Medical Health Officer TS Momin to express their deep concern regarding a distressing incident at the civil hospital in Nongpoh. A mother had discovered a piece of glass inside a liquid medicine while trying to administer it to her child. Expressing her dismay over the incident, DMHO TS Moment promptly initiated an investigation into the situation. The DMHO Riboy took the step of sending a sample of the contaminated syrup for testing, which is being carried out by the medicine inspector, and another sample will be sent for further testing to confirm whether the medicine remains safe for consumption. DMHO Moment announced that the circulation of the medicine in question would be temporarily halted pending a government decision on the matter. Addressing the media, Bayai Shan Lang Harshan Lor, the General Secretary of KSU Nongpoh Circle, emphasized that their primary objective is not to defame the hospital but to alert the public to exercise caution when consuming medicines.
Last time kerja kelas check pun kita wajib terima. Dan kita lap ni pak. Kalau input on pressure the hospital settings that young government should be some step away from like medicines. That's why this is not the first time that before also remember in this castle problem.
ka wede pentasni makliang jungi ka kasih student union nopo circle nilawan mani kendu ya district medical health officer ne po nopo possible stalong po adin ka jing yo complain aba kiwe longkumi nane nopo ka nopo area hi iwan mentit dawai bano sim dawai nong ne nopo possible stalong po ya dawai klung hapo jong ubilor dawai pat hapor bai lade pendi sisen namar ka jadi ko man pendi sisen step mensingi berjanmian men step lade pendi itu dawai pat ha mensingi pat pendi yang di the dawai po semoy adin kejing the jung i dawai po semoy te ilapat ba ya po yo ku dawai po semoy don de bilor pai ha tu dawai dah bede berkata nak yang jung gaseng di merio komplain ya singkha kan merdor buat ngilawan no mentak singi bendu ya district medical health officer ne po sigul stalong po buat nak yang jungi ni lai kran buat ki bor beri pek jung panek sibil ne budi metro bagi lapha pan persengi no hayung ne dawai ba persengi supaya supply hang ne po kajela jungi yo de dawai bagi di minyak chor inquiry ba hadu hadin baladep ban kut inquiry law ne dawai bit ulong ne umlong ban pendau ban penkam syaki pajba nomor kompetitif menta baya ki hospital sarkar ki government hospital kinlap baya ki dawai ki dasin ki bagi ai ki ju ai baik da ki dawai ki batat ki generic medicine kim ju ai ki brand medicine ki ba khambha kum ki long ha ki private pharmacy ki hospital private pinyo ki dawai ki babha ki dawai ki hamram ndai ha ki government hospital pat kin ai bi dawai ki ba di dawai tat lap nong namar ba ki de ki dawai ai de ka ai ka ba long pat ke jingma ya ki duk ki suk namar ki bawan cha hospital sarkar sya ki civil hospital kindai bek tang ki bru ki basyam jenjar ki bawan nak linging beduk besuk namar ba kadai ka hospital na benda ki jongki ki basyam jenjar de ka sarkar pat kamdi ban kinsting lane kamdi ban sulet tang dem tang bakadai ki ta ka hospital sarkar bagin ai kita ki dawai kin ai ki dawai ki ba mulum mala namar ba kadai pat ke jing imbreu la jai ya ke jing imbreu muno ban simi bakli namar yang no dawai klung gila debdi klung ibadang terus nem la debdi sisen bar khabar sin dan bok bilap no hang tu phini imne ba ki bilor ki berit ki bapai ki don ki baniro dengan trai bawat igi rang baru kin di itu dawai kin yo bandi tu bilor kan posui ke bentapan de kai ga ba nak liang jungi ka seng ni pharu ka khubor sa sarkar bayuna dawai di ban khang lut habor ko state jong ka Meghalaya ba phide benle ya ka inquiry ke babiang bat hadin jeng inquiry sa phide ben pentip ba law dawai wibit nem ibit wibiang bagin penonkam ban ai si ba amar kum bolong hadu menta yo ne dawai isuan meneru nak liang jong office jong ka dimetro district medical health officer kim sim ladon jingtip sapang kata di hadin mentasngi biun komplain jadi ka fast complain wat di metro diong jadi fast complain mentasngi ndai jupha ya report ka test sa ka sarkar ba ki dawai ki babiet ki babiang ki balong ki bomlong ki jupha andai yang jinglap mentasngi nang fast mentasngi hene possible stalong po tengim dei bagi wan resmi long bangi keno ika civil stalong po en ka staff jong ka bodon hone possible stal andai ke jingwan jungi kalau bangi lap ikum kini ja niwan namar bayau dawai bagi pimbiang ane ki wan rak nang ne possible stalong po na ka office jong ka dimetro ka dei wan long bang supply jong government supply jong government ki dei bencim chai kan ya ki wan rak dawai khatsan arpu sunduk lai ko sopo sunduk ki wan rak hane kini kim tip dawai ulong bungno ubobiang no bombiang ki sei ki pniat bet ki di benai sepai ba ki ai bet nomor kini kim dojing tip ki phak do dawai bosniu kini ki ai bet nomor kim tip ki peteng SPR den andre ka government nang ba supply nang ba supplier ng government lane ka company ki ba phak ki di ben simkia ba kim di ben ai de ki dawai ki batan tang bagi dei ki ba ai lane ki ba hap ban sami sai ki ba kane ka kurwo nak liang kaseng sa ka sarkar jela wat di health minister ba gide bucim kamar dore kane namar kane kadi kam ya pum im jong ba kiamen show hadin ba i district medical health officer ilong ba inpa menta ya kane sapo goti ba inpa pit benya yang kan simpor lagi si benai runai bat hadin jong si benai ngin sawan yang bentundu ya district medical health officer inwat jingtip ba ibit dawai bentundu kam ba.
In a significant development on Tuesday, the Anti-Narcotic Task Force (ENTF) of West Garo Hills successfully apprehended a suspected drug smuggler identified as Sri Kamindra Rishi during a bus journey in Tura. Upon conducting a thorough search, the vigilant Tura ANTF police team discovered 15 vials containing a suspicious substance believed to be heroin in Mr. Rishi's possession. This discovery has dealt a substantial blow to the illegal drug trade in the region. As per official reports, the arrested individual is now in custody and the narcotics seized from his possession have been confiscated. A case has been registered against Mr. Kamindra Rishi under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.